Meticulous Medical Services has been working since 2007 and provides a number of services, including the best medical center that gives the full range of healthcare services. At our facility, you can learn how to control diabetes. We use only the best equipment for diagnostics. Our departments include cardiology, oncology, neurology, and pediatrics. We're ready to help you with any concerns. We offer specialties in pediatrics, pulmonology, infectious diseases, and hospitalists. We use only the best equipment and the latest proven advances on the market to diagnose and cure diseases. We are experts in women's healthcare and pediatrics using the best doctors team around. Our dedicated team of experts in their fields will help you get the care you deserve. We offer flexible payment options and give you the care you're seeking. Meticulous Medical Services will make sure your health is our #1 priority.